Hey.
Review from the Pexodo Cartel from New Jersey.
Nice.
Wonderful family.
Yeah.
Accuracy, cleanliness, check-in, communication, location, and value. 5 stars.
Nice.
Overall rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars.
Wow. Thank you.
Back to work. Public review. Look no further. Yes, the home is beautiful, in the perfect location, plenty of activities within walking distance, and a short drive. The Tommy Coconuts family is really what made this trip stand out to my family though. Boy and Brit met us upon arrival and gave us the warmest welcome. They were nice enough to stock our fridge, so we were ready. The use of the Jeep was something no one else will offer and was so much fun to get around the island. They invited us to a sunset cruise that was equally fun and beautiful. They are also excellent photographers. We had family come and stay with us. Brit was so sweet and brought over coconut drinks for all of us to enjoy upon their arrival. I could rave about this family all day. If we return to Curacao, we would only stay at a Tommy Coconut property.
Wow.
Thank you all for such an amazing experience.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Christmas, hey. Yeah.